so scared. It's okay. You're so squishy.
Rub his neck and he comes down. He's like, oh,
He's so cute.
he got big.
Okay.
She's so getting soaked.
No.
Hi. We don't know what your name is yet.
Donahue.
His nose filled in and everything. He's got a little spot on there.
You're very cute.
She gave me the evil look.
Who?
Amanda. Oh, that van got freaking crushed.
Oh, you're calming down now, aren't you?
Oh, it's electric. There you go, puppy.
He's feeling better now.
Good.
He's like falling asleep. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off now.